The rules have changed. The financial plan used to be easy. Previous generations would buy an affordable house. They would get a guaranteed income for life when they stopped working with their pension. Any money left over and they could put money into a bank and get 5% interest rates. That's now all been blown out the water. Today you are an investor. If you've got a pound coin in your back pocket, you're an investor. If you work at a job, you are now auto-enrolled into a pension. You now need to understand about investing if you ever want to stop working. So perhaps you're scared to invest after seeing the markets crash recently. Perhaps you don't have the time to understand the seemingly complex world of the stock market. Maybe you don't have the money to invest with an expensive financial advisor that's going to cost you thousands of pounds. So you don't need to do that. Today, you just need education. So my name's Neil Doig. I am the Financial Times shortlisted author of Millennial Money Mindset. I'm the creator of Football Formation Asset Allocation, and I am the founder of Money Tips. We educate and inspire and coach better investing. So what we're offering today, we're offering the 3 laws of money accumulation. We're having a webinar on this Thursday coming up, so just go to a link below and sign up to the webinar. If you can, and you can answer any questions you want during that webinar. If you can't make it this Thursday, still sign up and we will send you the recording of the webinar. Today you need to invest. So what you're going to do, you're going to learn the 3 laws of money accumulation. It's going to reduce your stress and worry. It's going to save you time because we're going to automate your savings and investing. And it's going to save you thousands of pounds from paying expensive advice, financial advice fees, or fund manager prices, because it will all be passively and it will all be automated. So sign up today and come along to the free webinar, which is going to teach you